Hey guys, Claudio here from UFLY Simulator. I have actually a pilot flying here today. We are landing in Osaka. He's doing a manual landing, and we're gonna have flaps 30 and speed set for 139 plus 5, which will be 144. Landing checklist, my captain. Soon as we have all that, landing checklist is complete. We have gear down in green, flaps 30 in green, and right here, auto brakes on 3, speed breakers on, minimums are set, landing lights on. We just need to alert the crew for landing.
Cabin crew, take your seats for landing.
And in case of misapproach, we climb to 3,000 feet, and we will make a runway heading, make a left turn, right over the bay, and we'll wait for instructions.
Avoid those mountains there.
All right, perfect. So my captain is doing a manual landing. First time coming here. He flies at home on his simulator 777. Now he's doing the real thing. He's having some fun.
And it's clearly different. Yeah.
It is. All right, runway is in sight. We are landing on 32 left, which is right over there if you guys can see it. And that's 32 right.
1,000.
Check. Perfect. Nice, the speed is good, plane is stable.
Approaching
1,000, continue.
2 left.
32 left. That's perfect.
Beautiful setting.
It is.
Approaching minimums.
There you go.
Minimums.
Minimums, runway inside.
Okay, continue.
500.
500. That's perfect. Good. Just stable a little bit.
400.
See, just like that. Stable a little bit. Doing good, Captain. Speed is good.
What we got?
300.
De nada, Captain. And he also speaks Spanish. All right. I might do a video in Portuguese to our UFLY Simulator Brazil. Our videos right now, 45 million views. Here we go, Captain. Okay,
50,
flare.
40.
Perfect. Let us see. Forward just a little. Just a little.
30.
Go. Right there.
10.
Good. Okay. Reverse thrust. Nice and easy. Reverse green on both. And we landed. And I can see more buildings. Guys, thank you for watching us. We land in Osaka, in Japan.
Approaching
Arigato.
on runway 2.